Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I have found another article which I wanted to show y'all. And this is Seafloor survey confirms earthquake risk near Istanbul. And this article goes on to state, July 9th, UPI. It's been more than 250 years since the last major earthquake struck Istanbul, the capital of Turkey. Though the nearby fault system has been silent for 2.5 centuries, new research suggests the risk of another major quake is high. By analyzing shifts in the seafloor, scientists were able to confirm for the first time the presence of significant tectonic strain along the North Anatolian Fault and the Sea of Marmara. It would be sufficient to trigger another earthquake with magnitudes between 7.1 and 7.4, Dietrich Lang, a geophysicist at GeoMar Helmholtz Center for Oceanic Research Kiel in Germany, said in a news release. Along the northern coast of Turkey, the Eurasian and Anatolian plates abut, forming the North Anatolian Fault, an active strike-slip fault. In 1999, a slip along the fault caused a large earthquake impacting the city of Izmit and causing 17,000 casualties. Strong earthquakes occur when the fault zone becomes locked, Lang said. Then tectonic strain accumulates and the seismic energy is released in an earthquake. For several years, scientists have been closely monitoring the movements of the fault system on land, but a portion of the North Anatolian Fault extends into the Sea of Marmara. Tracking underwater fault movement is difficult. With only imprecise land observations, scientists have struggled to distinguish between a creeping movement and a total locking of tectonic plates. But with the new GeoMar GeoC system, researchers were able to use acoustic distance to precisely measure crustal deformation along the North Anatolian Fault. The system features 10 instruments anchored on either side of the fault, half a mile beneath the sea surface. Over the course of 2.5 years, the system recorded 650,000 distant measurements. In order to get measurements accurate within a few millimeters over several hundred of meters, very precise knowledge of the speed of sound underwater is required, said Hydrum Kopp, GOC project manager. Therefore, pressure and temperature fluctuation of the water must also be measured very precisely over the entire period. The measurement summarized this week in the journal Nature Communications showed the fault system is locking up and accumulating strain. If the accumulated strain is released during an earthquake, the fault zone would move more than 4 meters. This corresponds to an earthquake with a magnitude between 7.1 and 7.4. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all the area that's being talked about, which is here, runs through and around this way. And I think I have a picture on here that I can show y'all, which we'll put up kind of right next to it. So you can see it's this area here that runs through around this way, over this way, this way, and this way. And these are different plates. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you're having a great day. Please check into Dutch Sense channel. And thank you.